As to his bashers, I say, good luck to you. You will get nowhere near the larger-than-life brand of public service and accomplishments of Kong Romy Akop. With your gutter language, you have doomed yourselves. Allow me to take this opportunity to defend my friend against those who see his death as punishment for his alleged sins. My friends, as we all know, it is the will of our Creator that we shall all die, regardless whether we are sinners or saints. Only Jesus conquered the death for He is God. Nasa ating kultura na hindi dapat natin inaalipusta o niyuyurakan ang alaala ng isang yumao, kahit na ano pa siya sa paningin natin. Ang ganong katangian ay pagpapakita ng isang magandang pag-uugali ng isang respektableng Pilipino. Kabilin-bilinan nga ng ating mga matatanda na kung wala ka rin lang magandang sasabihin, mas mabuti pang huwag ka na lang magsalita. Lalo na siguro kung ang mga sinasabi ninyo ay puro haka-haka lamang at walang matibay na basihan. Napapahiya po ang ating mga magulang na parang hindi tayo napalaki ng maayos at tama. Sa lahat po ng sumisira ng alaala ni Kong Romy, isa lamang po ang masasabi ko. Hindi po tama ang inyong ginagawa. Hindi po makapilipino ang inyong ginagawa. And as you continue to as you continue crossing the bounds of decency, you have revealed your true selves. In judging Kong Akop, you have allowed yourselves to be judged. You speak evil as if you are holy. Death is the great leveler. It is the last step towards our ultimate destination, either eternal happiness in heaven, in the company of our Lord, or be declared in contempt to suffer eternal damnation in hell in the company of him who was damned. Kong Romy, my friend, my mentor, rest now and enjoy your eternal happiness in the company of our Lord in heaven. To the family, rejoice that Kong Romy is now in the warm embrace of our Creator. I offer my deepest sympathies and condolences to the Akop family. Sa lahat po na nagmamahal kay Kong Romy, kasama na rin po kaming mga kasamahan niya dito sa Kongreso. Hindi po namin makakalimutan si Kong Romy. Paalam, Kong Romy, isa kang mabuting anak, kapatid, ama, lolo, at isang tunay na kaibigan. Kong Romy, till we meet again.